This is the practice test for fractions. Here we're working on number 14, which states New York City received 5/12 inches of snow on Monday and 1/4 inch of snow on Tuesday. What is the total snowfall that New York City received? And the total is going to be the sum of the two fractions, or the addition of the two fractions. And so I have set up the addition of the fractions here, 5/12 plus 1/4. Now, whenever I'm adding or subtracting fractions, I need a common denominator, and 12 is going to be my common denominator for these two fractions. The top fraction already has 12 in the denominator. I need to change the bottom fraction to an equivalent fraction with 12. So 4, I need to multiply that by 3 to get the 12. And so I multiply by 3 on the top as well, and I have 3/12 on this second fraction. And now that I have the common denominators, I can add the numerators. 5 plus the 3 gives me 8. And 8/12, I need to simplify that. So the 8, I can break it down into 4 times 2. And the 12, I can break that down into 4 times 3. The 4's cancel, and I'm left with 2/3, or 2/3 inches of snow. Now, if you were to take 5/12 plus 1/4 on your calculator, using your fraction key, your calculator would automatically simplify your answer to 2/3 for you.